Hello friends, welcome to Samil Darbar. Today I'm going to show you how to make white chocolate filled vanilla cupcakes. This is eggless and it will be too soft and yummy. Kids will love it. So for that I have taken 1 cup of milk and I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of vinegar or lemon juice to it. Now this is the buttermilk. Now we have prepared the buttermilk, so keep this milk mixture aside and I'm going to add in a separate vessel half a cup of butter. The butter should be soft and it should be in room temperature. Now I'm going to beat the butter. After that I'm going to add 1 cup of sugar to the butter. Now I'm going to mix the butter and sugar. It should be creamy and it should turn pale. The butter color will turn into white color like this. That is more important. And I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and I'm going to mix it together. And then I'm going to keep the sieve and add 2 cup of flour, that is plain flour, and I'm adding 2 teaspoon of baking powder. You can even substitute with wheat flour and sieve it together. Now beating the butter and sugar is more important because it will give you a nice soft texture. Now I'm going to cut and fold the ingredients and then I'm going to add the milk mixture and again I'm going to cut and fold. And the batter is ready. This is the right consistency. And then I'm going to in an idli plate I have kept all the cupcakes molds and I'm going to half fill it with batter and I'm going to preheat the cooker for around 10 minutes at low flame. Now after 10 minutes I'm going to keep the idli plate inside it and I'm going to cook it at a low flame for around 20 minutes. The same way I'm going to do it in the oven also. Now I have half filled all the cupcake molds and I have preheated the oven for 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius and I'm going to bake it for around 20 minutes. Now see, all the cupcakes are ready. The toothpick has come out clean. Now I'm going to make the ganache. For that, for the filling, so I have taken 1/4 cup of cream and I have to do it in a very low flame. Once it is ready, switch off the stove and then add the white chocolate 1 cup, that is the Milky Bar. 100 grams of Milky Bar I have added and let it melt and keep it aside. Now after that I have added half a cup of cream for the frosting and then I'm going to beat it together. After that I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and then 2 teaspoons of powdered sugar and then I'm going to beat it until the stiff peak forms. Now the cupcake should be cold and also the ganache should set. After that only we should be able to do all the filling and frosting too. So now I'm going to add a pink color few drops. This is totally optional. You can even skip this one. And I'm going to mix it together. Now the frosting is ready. This is the correct consistency. Now I've taken the cupcakes and I'm going to cut it in the center, like a small circle I'm going to make. And I'm going to take the top. Please reserve the top because once you fill it with the ganache, you are going to close the top. So please save the tops of the cupcakes. So I'm going to fill this ganache into the cupcake like this, and then I'm going to close it with the top which we have earlier. Now after closing it, I'm going to frost it. Like we have prepared the frosting, so we are just going to apply the frosting in all the cupcakes. You can even put some sprinkles on it so that kids will love it and it will be so colorful too. Now the cupcakes are ready. See how yummy it is. If you like this recipe, please subscribe to my channel and please click on the bell button for more updates. Thank you.